Want to hit 10,000 TikTok followers fast? I went from 0 to 10,000 followers in just a few hours. And the best part? Anyone can do this. No bots, no fake engagement. Just one simple website that does all the heavy lifting. Sounds insane, right? Well, watch this video till the end, because I'm about to show you exactly how I did it. Before we dive into the video, I have some great news. To show my appreciation to my subscribers, I'm hosting a free giveaway where you can win followers, comments, subscribers, and views for your social media accounts. How to enter. Comment Social Growth under this video. Mention your YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram username. In my next video, I'll be doing a live giveaway and announcing the winner, so don't miss out. Stay tuned and good luck. First of all, go to this website called Nizop through the link provided in the description or comments box. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. Let me guide you step by step on how to buy TikTok followers. Nizop offers real followers, fast delivery, and a safe process. Once you're there, simply log in with your Google account. Here, you'll notice a balance tab at the top and additional tabs on the left corner. Now, here's something cool. Nizop isn't just about buying followers. They also offer perks. You can earn a $5 referral bonus for every friend you invite. And if you invest $100, you get a $10 cashback bonus. So, not only are you growing your TikTok, but you're also unlocking extra rewards. This is the TikTok account we will be using in this video. As you can see, it has only 15 followers at the moment. That's going to change in a bit. Before we get started, let me show you how to add funds on Nizop. To do so, click on Deposit. Several payment options are available, including crypto, Payer, Perfect Money, bank transfer, and cards. I chose crypto, entered $100 as an example, and received a $9 bonus. After completing your details and clicking Pay here, the funds will be added to your account immediately. On Nizop, you'll find options like New Orders, Mass Orders, Services, and Orders. I clicked on New Order, where options for Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, Twitter, and more are available. Since I need TikTok followers, I selected TikTok to proceed. A variety of TikTok services appeared, such as TikTok followers not guaranteed, TikTok followers guaranteed, TikTok high followers, and targeted country followers. I chose TikTok followers guaranteed, which fits my budget and could help me reach my goal. After selecting the offer, the service description explained a 1-month refill option for followers, meaning they can be refilled within 30 days if they drop. Always read service details before purchasing. Next, I pasted my account link into the link box by copying it from TikTok and pasting it into Nizop. Then, I entered the quantity as 200 followers, and the total updated to $1.3, which suited my budget. You could buy more depending on your budget. 10K followers will cost around $65. Let's continue. I clicked the purchase button, placed my order, and within minutes, followers started appearing on my account. Here you can see that I successfully received 200 followers on my account within about 2 to 3 hours, which is impressive. The main benefit of these followers is that they helped you reach your follower goal. I hope you found this video helpful. Be sure to subscribe to Social Growth, and I'll see you in the next video.